In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is my on-screen keyboard. I'm going to use it to illustrate, but you are going to use your physical keyboard. So on your physical keyboard, you are going to press this shift for more than 8 seconds. Do not press this one. Press this for more than 8 seconds until you hear a beep sound. Once you have heard a beep sound, then your physical keyboard will be locked. So on my physical keyboard, I'm going to press on that shift for more than 8 seconds. Then you will hear a beep sound and this pop-up will appear on your screen. So just click on yes. Then by doing so, your keyboard will be locked. So in order to unlock your keyboard again, you are going to press on this shift again for more than 8 seconds and then you will hear a beep sound. So I'm going to do that. Then by doing so, your keyboard will be unlocked. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.